We're here today at the Southern Manufacturing Show, and actually it's the very first time we've exhibited here. It's a golden opportunity to speak to many of thousands of people in a short space of time over the 3 days.
I think it's been brilliant. We love this show.
Today's been especially busy.
Really, really busy. Footfall has been absolutely fantastic.
We've done the show for 10 years, and this is probably our best day we've done.
It's just really good to having that time in front of customers and seeing such a number of the engineers and the people who are working on designs.
Last year we had around 75 leads. Today we've had 80. It's been brilliant for both returning customers that know us and new customers that don't.
The seminars have been really good as well, and they've been really insightful, so it's good to get the whole package really.
We'll be back again next year.
We do this show every year.
It's great for the South in the UK.
We'll be here next year.
Really enjoying it. Next time it's going to be bigger and better.
Will always be Southern Manufacturing. You don't get better in terms of having shows like this.